In today's video, we will be demonstrating NEPI's LSX Light and Strobe Driver Abstraction Layer, which provides plug-and-play integration, common API interfaces for all connected light and strobe illumination systems, regardless of their native software interface, making downstream edge processing applications easy to build, maintain, and reuse across all types of illumination systems. For this tutorial, I will be using an off-the-shelf embedded GPU processor box with the NEPI engine software installed, a NEPI IDX driver-supported USB camera, and a NEPI LSX-supported light or strobe system. With your NEPI device powered on, connect your LSX-supported light or strobe system to the NEPI device. NEPI will auto-detect both the camera light or strobe system. Then open the NEPI device's RUI Control and Lights tab. Select the light system from the drop-down box along with an image stream if you have a camera connected as well. You should see status information for your light system and controls in the right pane. You can change any control settings you want to adjust at this point. LSX control setting changes are not saved and reset after power cycling your NEPI device. Device startup settings can be set using a NEPI automation script. You can see examples of automating light and strobe startup and operations in the NEPI engine sample automation scripts on the NEPI website. While the RUI provides a convenient user interface to configure and test your light and strobe system, all of the data and controls we have covered have documented back-end API interfaces for automation programming and interfacing to other connected systems. To learn more about these interfaces, see the NEPI Engine Local System Interfacing and NEPI Engine Hardware Interfacing documents available on the NEPI website. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how NEPI simplifies connecting and configuring light and strobe devices for AI and automation solution development.